Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today I'm going to share with you my experiences after using dental care here in the UK. To fix my missing tooth. I am originally from Tanzania, so I was not thinking that I will have any issues with my teeth. That was out of my mind. As we all know, most of us Africans really do not care much to have a dental checkup every 3 or 6 months like they do here in the UK once you're registered with the dentist. Of course, I do take my kids every month for checkups, but rarely book an appointment for myself. So when my first dental problem here in the UK, when I had my first dental problem here in the UK, my front teeth had a decay and it was really bad, and they had to do crowning in order to fix it and for me to regain my confidence back. And of course, I was registered at that time as an NHS patient, and but still the dentist recommended the expensive treatment because the materials used are better and my crown will last longer compared to using materials that are less expensive that I believe the NHS pays for that, because they do not last longer. I think they have their prices like NHS prices and private prices or something like that. So mind you, this was in 2017 and I had to pay around £600 for my crown. That was shocking, and it was expensive, but I believe the dentist knew better than me. That is why they recommend expensive prices for my crown to last longer, and I can confirm it did last longer for 7 years until this happened. If I can remember, it was in March this year. I was just sitting down eating dates, the sweet fluid. When from nowhere I felt something coming out suddenly. It was my crown tooth that I fixed back in 2017. So long story short, I started calling the dental surgeries to take me in as soon as possible. The surgery that fixed my tooth before said they took me out because I never went for checkups for a long time. So normally after 2 years, if you're not attending, they take you out of the list. So I found another surgery. It's called my dentist. I called to register as an NHS patient. They are not accepting anymore NHS patients. In fact, all surgeries around where I live, they were not accepting NHS patients. So my only choice was to register as a private patient to fix the problem. Through my dentist, just to register and book an appointment, it cost me about £49. So after meeting up with the dentist, he suggested that I needed a dental bridge, and he gave me a plan. As you can see, the dental bridge for a tooth cost about 400, but because it needs to be attached to another tooth, the cost for another tooth was 400. There were some teeth that needed filling, as you can see how expensive it is for the filling as a private patient. So I ended up not doing the filling but only the dental bridge procedure. So overall, the dental surgery was very good and everything was successful, and now I've got a new smile. I will put some pictures of before and after, so you can see. So that's the end of today's video. Please make a habit of visiting your dentist every few months that they recommend after you registering with your dentist. It will save you money, maybe on dental teeth filling, maybe other procedure will be expensive, but still you will massively reduce your cost in case you have a lot of things to do with your teeth. And so yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, is bye for now.